Hey there and welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a plan with me and my classic happy planner for the week of May 11th through the 17th. I wanted to do something kind of like ethereal and dreamy, so I'll be using the stickers from this watercolor goals set. So if you want to see how I am decorating my spread, then keep on watching. Alright, so this is the finished spread. This is pretty cute. I actually really do like it. Sometimes when I just go for it, I don't like the spread and then I never show you guys the video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you're planning in the comments down below, and I hope to see you in a couple days in a brand new video. Bye!